Welcome back to my channel. I figured that I'd pull out my camera because my neighbor, I be forgetting my neighborhood is real ghetto. Y'all, look at all these police, y'all. I don't know what the fuck happened with across the streets, but look, we finna be nosy. Is that what those sunflowers is? Okay. Girl, they is something is going on across the streets. They don't got the Toms sunflower seeds. I mean, not sunflower seeds, soda vinegar. Girl, they don't got them. They only got these. What's these? Girl, they do not have no sunflower seeds. See here. This stuff's already. Y'all don't got no sunflower seeds? Sunflower seeds? Where they was at? Right here? Oh, nah, there ain't none right there. Ain't no. Man, I came here for some sunflower seeds, really, and they don't even got no damn sunflower seeds in here. That's crazy, man. Well, this is where they moved her at. She used to be by us. They moved her. I wonder if they downgrade her. Yeah, look. Let me go. Well, that's what happened. They must be looking for somebody. God, look at one. It's one right there, too. It's the police right there. See it right there, look. These are our projects, girl. It's so ghetto around here. I cannot wait to get the fuck around here. She got her a job. I know that's right. Baby got her a job. Ah! Leave me the fuck alone. I had went to the store, y'all. I went to the corner store that week. I was trying to get some sunflower seeds. They didn't have no fucking sunflower seeds. Pissed me off. Oh, look at my little donut all beat up. I have about this. I got so many motherfucking answers. I gotta be careful with that. Brought some ground beef. I'm making hamburgers today. I just had to taste the hamburgers. I got this. Got this in here too. So I got so many answers in my house. I just been spraying. I ended up getting this for the answers in the lizard. It's working a little bit. Well, not for the answers. Yeah, I think you can use answers with this. I don't even know. No, I got something else for the answers. I got this for the lizards. The lizards be getting this and everything, y'all. It's just ridiculous. I cannot wait. Hopefully y'all be moving soon though. I got some hamburger buns. Hamburger buns. Hamburger cinnabon. Y'all gotta start recording more because I be forgetting that I live in the motherfucking hood. And I know y'all used to the glitz and glams of YouTube, but it's still real ass people out there that's going through real ass shit that don't have it, that's struggling, that's living in the hood. Day to day, living paycheck to paycheck. Real shit. Real shit. Drop a like if that's some real shit. Like, that's just life. So I just kind of be forgetting that. Now I got to get back to my roots and just start, like, showing y'all, like, the realness. Period. The realness. Y'all got to watch the grind. Watch the grind. Y'all got to watch the grind. For real. I ain't got this water out of my car. I've been here, this water. Because I done ran out of water. I be buying, like, 2 things of water. I'm going to start buying more. Oh, I have bought some cheese. Some sliced cheese. I'm going to start buying more water. I used to buy 2. One, I used to leave in my trunk. And one, I bring in the house. I leave the one in my trunk for, like, work. Work is over. School ended already. I'm currently waiting on them to call me for summer school. To work summer school. Because I need a job, baby. These bills still coming. These bills still rolling. These bills, you know what I'm saying, still kicking. I still got to pay bills. So, hopefully they'll be calling me one day this week. Because I need to know where I'm working at. Like, I need a job. I need to work for the summer. And I had got me some cream. So, yeah. I ain't eating breakfast. I'm just going to make some coffee for breakfast. And I make the hamburgers for... Hamburgers going to be for lunch and dinner. Like, whatever. I probably cook them on, like, 12 o'clock. That's that. But yeah, I'm just gonna make this a weekly vlog. Y'all gonna see what I'm doing this week. I ain't really got too much in plan because I ain't trying to spend a lot of money because, you know, like I said, school is over. I'm waiting to start summer work, summer employment. So, yeah. It's falling. This is falling. And that is falling. Y'all can't see me. But yeah, that's it. So, I'll see y'all throughout the week. I'll check back in. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Make sure you have your post notification bell turned on so you can be notified each and every time I post. And if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Everybody else, y'all already know what to do. Hey, I hope y'all is doing well. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. It's wet and gloomy and rainy in Miami, y'all. It's been raining like 2 days in a row. And I just been chilling. Yeah. So, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm so good to you. Really like later. Y'all, Miami is flooded, baby. We had a storm like the last few days. We've been having a storm and it's been so flooded. Yeah, my street is flooded. I had to take an alternate street, so I'm trying to go to Walmart because my bank is inside Walmart and I didn't withdraw some money. So that's what I'm trying to head at. And it's just so flooded. These streets are so flooded, y'all. Like, Miami has a real drainage issue. Like, they don't have enough drains to they don't have enough drains, y'all. Like, this it be so flooded, it be so crazy. Like, these streets is pretty okay. I'm glad I came this way. But yeah. So that's what we doing right now. I wanted to show y'all how flooded it was. I should have been turned on the camera when I first got in my car. Girl, let's put this seatbelt thing on. Since you blowing me, girl. Girl, you blowing me, girl. Doing too much. You doing too. Dude, what the fuck they finna build over there? They building all these high rise. I need to let my window down, but I don't want to let my window down because the front window. He taking so long to back up. I'm way over here. He been backing up since I even got to this stop sign. Poppy. Dang, Poppy. And I have to go get my oil changed today. So I'm trying to be there at 9 o'clock. It is 6:54 in the morning. In the AM, I am up early, child. I'm still on my work pattern, so which is good because I'm about to start working. I'm about to start back working in like another couple of weeks, I think. Dang, I can't even show y'all. Like, it's flooded back there. Well, that car is what you call it, smoking. I can't even show y'all. I wanted to really show y'all how flooded it is. Like, I had to come to Main Street. I usually don't come Main Street. I usually got to take the back streets. But I had to take the Main Street today because all the back streets are flooded. So, yeah. I'll probably show y'all when I'm on my way back. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna find a street just to show y'all how it looks. Cause it looks crazy. It looks crazy. I can see this street is flooded. I'm driving so fast. I don't know if y'all was able to see that or not, but that street was flooded. Like, baby, I'm turning around. When I see a flooded streets, baby, I am turning around. I'm not riding my car through that. I'm sorry. I can't do it. But I'll be back, y'all. Look how Walmart Jones done upgraded. God, it's starting to sell Madden, as I see. And it's actually cute. Look. It's cute. It's actually cute. I like these shoes. I wasn't going back to Disney. Should be good. But yeah, look, y'all. They don't
Like, because I'm supposed to be buying nothing. I look. This is so cute. They got some nice stuff. I ain't gonna even lie. Like, they told me, I ain't getting this Walmart here all the time. They need to get a bunch of mannequins. Okay, Walmart with the mannequins. Walmart say, I ain't trying to play with y'all. Walmart said, Target. This should have been the whole set. It's not like man outfit. This should have been a short set. They don't got no shorts over there. I don't know. They don't got shorts. But, Walmart said, Target ain't gonna be the only one. With a little, Walmart said, Target ain't gonna be the only one. With a little pizzazz. Look, this too, y'all. Let me show y'all. Oh, you might see this. Oh, girl. Oh, girl, this is so cute. Look at this. This is great. But look, I was thinking about getting these things. Okay, 4th of July. to the USA in this bus. But they got a whole set, but I'm just gonna get the pants. And like a different shirt. Yes. July 4th. Y'all want to come and let me know if y'all still celebrate 4th of July. Or do y'all, oh, this is cute. This is so cute. It's only $4? That's dope. Y'all want to come and let me know if y'all still
celebrate 4th of July, or do y'all celebrate? I guess they supposed to put their shit, but they supposed to put food in this part right here. Do y'all celebrate 4th of July, or do y'all celebrate Juneteenth? Let me tell y'all my take on that. Hold up. So let me tell y'all my take on that whole Juneteenth over 4th of July thing. I get what they saying, like the slaves was actually freed on Juneteenth, so we should celebrate Juneteenth. However, I just feel like we are so accustomed to celebrating 4th of July. We've been celebrating 4th of July all our lives. And I'm very patriotic. I'm very a patriotic, festive kind of person. Like, I always like to dress up. And my people used to always laugh at me because they be like, girl, you love to dress up. You be having on your red, white, and blue. I do. I like stuff like that. Like, I always have done it. Like, it's like something that you're accustomed to. So it's like when you're accustomed to something, you just automatically do it. Like, you know what I'm saying? And there's nothing wrong with change. Don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with change. And I feel like we could still celebrate Juneteenth. There's no problem with celebrating Juneteenth. However, I still want to celebrate 4th of July. That's just me personally. I still want to celebrate 4th of July. So, that's my whole take on that. Like, I still want to celebrate 4th of July. I don't care. I hear y'all. And I F with Juneteenth. However, is this gonna stay? I still want to mess with July 4th. That's all I'm saying. Anywho, I went to the bank and got my money. Now, it's time to get up out of here. It's time to get up out of here. I'm about to go home, take a shower, and put on some clothes. Or whatever. What she said, I'm trying to remember what she said again. I think she said 95th and 25th. I gotta get my oil change. I'm trying to remember where the guy at. She said 95th and 25th. I don't know. Anywho, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I was waiting in Walmart and forgot to get a tripod. I'm so mad. Now I'm here getting my car my oil change to my car. Literally waiting in Walmart. It was nobody in Walmart. That last scene when I was showing y'all all that stuff, I was in Walmart. I really forgot. Once I picked up this phone, I remembered that I needed the tripod, but so man, about to do my car right now. Hopefully he don't tell me nothing else because I don't got no motherfucking money. I don't got it. And that's on period. He must be on this by himself. Show y'all this is how cute this place is. Is he fast?